Okay guys, hopefully I can upload a Roblox video the next hour, and like 4 o'clock after I came out of the shower. Okay, I'm gonna do this video a little bit long, like 1 minute, 1 minute and 12 seconds. Any minute, because, yeah. I have 4,785 videos now. I'm so close. I'm close to 5,000 videos. Yep, I am. So you can't even see some of my videos because they're in private due to the numbers. Because AFT Plumbing, Off for Toilets Plumbing, I have more videos than him. So does James. So I have more videos than James Gaming. His channel name used to be James Toilet. Now it's James Gaming. He changed it like days ago. I don't know what day. I think December 3rd or 2nd. I don't know, somewhere there. Somewhere in the early December. This year, but anyways, let's play this game. Good at it. Oh, it's a lot of coins. I might do this only 1 minute and 40 seconds. At least if I lose.